Did your Canon printer suddenly stop working after a Windows update? If you're seeing the driver unavailable error, don't worry.
This problem is common in 2026, and I'll show you several proven fixes that can get your printer working again in just a few minutes.
After a Windows update, your printer driver may become outdated, corrupted, or incompatible with the latest Windows build. Sometimes Windows installs a generic printer driver that doesn't fully support the Canon printer features. Start with the simplest solution. Turn off your printer, unplug it for 30 seconds, restart your computer, then reconnect the printer. This refreshes Windows and often restores driver communication. If the error remains, download the newest driver from Canon's official support website. Choose correct printer model, match Windows version, restart, search your exact printer model. Select Windows 11. Download the latest driver package, and complete the installation. Sometimes Windows keeps a corrupted driver. Remove the printer completely. Delete the old driver package. Then reinstall the newest Canon driver from scratch. Windows also includes a built-in printer troubleshooter. Run it to automatically detect driver problems, spooler errors, and communication issues. Open Windows Update and check optional updates. Microsoft sometimes releases newer printer drivers separately from major updates. Installing these can instantly resolve the driver unavailable error. If your Canon printer is working again, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more printer troubleshooting guides. And if you have any questions, feel free to call our support line. If you're still seeing the driver unavailable message, leave your Canon printer model in the comments and I'll help you find the right solution.